Hello there, friends. It's Nina. Thanks so much for joining me today for a new tutorial. I'm going to be bringing you some inspiration that I'm creating with the new Simon Says Stamp limited edition Gnome Peeking kit. This is a gift card kit, so it's designed for you to be able to make so many wonderful and festive gift card holders for your holiday season gifting. Now, I'm using mostly just contents from the kit, and if you miss out on this limited edition kit, which is only available while supplies last, many of the items that I'm using are available for individual purchase, so you will be able to purchase these even if you miss out on the kit itself. Now, the kit is a great value. You're going to get so many fabulous products for a really good price. The value of this kit is really, really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how I made a variety of gift card pockets. These pockets allow you to slip a gift card into either side of the pocket, and then I've also designed some envelopes that can house the gift card pocket. Now you could skip the envelope process if you don't want to go that elaborate, or if you want to make additional gift card holders, you could use the envelopes themselves as the holder. But I wanted to get a little bit more fancy with mine, so I'm going to show you what I did to package mine. Alright, so we're going to start by taking one of the mini envelopes that are in the kit. I'm using a red one here, and I'm using the buffalo plaid stencil that's also in the kit. This cute mini pattern is perfect for adding beautiful stenciling detail to your envelopes, gift card holders, and more. I'm going to use some aged mahogany distress ink and a blending brush to blend this ink through the stencil and create a fade across my envelope. This is going to create a beautiful pattern that I can then add additional embellishment over top of. This also makes the envelope a little bit more festive, and it really complements the patterns that are from the Echo Park Lumberjack Christmas pattern paper pack. This is in the kit, and I'm using the pattern papers to create gift card pockets. So what I do is I cut little cardstock strips at 3.5 by 5, and then I fold that in half, so it's 3.5 by 2.5. I use the gift card slots die that's in the kit to cut little notches on the ends of one side of this little gift card pocket. And then I add a strip of adhesive across the open end of the gift card pocket, and I fold the other side closed. This is creating a sleeve that the gift card can then slip into. So you'll see here, I've got this all folded together. It's a nice little sleeve here that I can slip a gift card inside. And voila, we have a super cute and very simple gift card holder that I made with the pattern paper. I'm going to create all of these in the same exact way. And I'm going to decorate them with contents inside this gift card kit. So here I'm adding some of the stickers along the bottom end of this gift card holder for a little bit of a border. It's very pretty. I love this border effect, and it creates a really nice finish on this card. There's a whole entire sticker book in this kit from the Echo Park Lumberjack Christmas, and I'm removing the adhesive from each of these stickers using a powder bag. When you apply the powder bag over top of the sticky areas of the stickers, it neutralizes that adhesive, and now you have basically a cardstock shape that you can glue down onto your project, or in my case, I'm attaching down with foam tape. This is allowing me to get a more dimensional finish on my card. I'm also going to use those same stickers to spell out the names or additional greetings on my envelopes. So in this particular case, I'm going to spell out the name Sue onto this envelope here so that I could give this to the recipient. Then, of course, you can slip the gift card into that cute little sleeve, and then that will go into the envelope. This is such a cute way to package a gift card, very festive, and just makes the gift card a little bit more exciting. So like I said, I took pattern paper pieces at 3.5 by 5 inches, and I scored them at 2.5, folded them, so now they're going to hold a gift card perfectly. I love all the fun patterns. They look really awesome with all the gift cards. And I love being able to decorate these with the Lumberjack Christmas stickers that are in this kit. Such a fun and festive collection. I'm adding twine to some of these. There's some ribbon included in the kit, which I did tie around one of my other gift card envelopes. And all of these little sticker pieces, I did do that same trick of adding the powder bag onto the backside to neutralize the adhesive, and then that allows me to pop things up. On one of the gift card holders, I used the Gnome Peeking stamp set that's in the kit. I used the cute little gnome with the snowman, and I'm going to go ahead and stick him down onto one of these gift card pockets. I used Copic markers to color him in, and I also fussy cut him out with my fine tip scissors. Here's where I took some of the ribbon from the kit, tied a little bow, and this is where I can now add my little gnome over top. These are such fun and festive little gift card sleeves. And I took more of those little gift card envelopes and I'm adding additional blending onto even the white ones. Here I used Hickory Smoke Distressing to go ahead and blend on a light gray blending of that buffalo plaid pattern. And I'm also going to use additional letter stickers to spell out more names to customize these envelopes. Now, if you don't know who you're going to give these envelopes to, or maybe you're going to give them to perhaps your mailman or maybe someone in your grocery store that you know, you could just put the word thanks onto the back, or maybe say something like Merry, Joy, Christmas, whatever you feel like saying with the stickers. It's a great way to be able to add a little bit of a personalization to the back of the envelope. I also added on some of the envelopes little to and from stickers, which are also in that Lumberjack sticker book. These are just different ways that you could personalize these envelopes and make them a little more extra special depending on who you're giving them to. I loved being able to accent all of these envelopes to coordinate with these gift card sleeves. These are so fun and festive, and you can see all the different varieties that I got using contents in the kit. And I gotta tell you, I made all of these gift card holders, and I still have so much more product. There is so much in this kit that will allow you to make tons of gift card pockets for the people that you're giving gift cards to this holiday season. Especially if you're going to be mailing more of your Christmas presents this year, gift cards are probably going to be an easy gift to give. And I think these gift card pockets are a great way to be able to package them up. I hope you were inspired by today's project using the new limited edition Gnome Peeking gift card kit from Simon Says Stamp. If you'd like to see additional inspiration or links to the kit itself, to the products I used, find all of those links down in the video description or over on my blog. I hope you will check out the videos I have on screen for you. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up so that YouTube and I know you enjoyed. I'll see you again after Thanksgiving, and from me to you, I hope your Thanksgiving is a very happy and blessed one. Bye!